but allow your members to come to the ground.
Sabina wa Chege ni umwe wa atongoria aria maramurikwo ni Akenya makiria kuma gicigo giki gia gatagati wa bururi na ni kuona uria kwihire ground ni akorwa kirugama bunge ya gibũrũri kuhoya Akenya muhera ni undu wa gutuika ati Kenyans matiretikiria atongoria aya makorwo magikinya ground. Rigathi wa Gachagua had warned the MPs who impeached him ati gugukorwo gwikuritu muno kuria ground tondu ucio tiguo wari wendi wa Akenya. Riu Sabina wa Chege agitikira ati ni kwihite muno ground na atongoria gutiri uretikirwo akorwo agikinya kuria. Wamuratha hau kabere ni agukoretwo akigeria guikia Akenya ciugo akimatisha na kumera ati wona marega aya atongoria makorwo magikinya ground matigukorwo makiamukira mawega kuma kuri NGCDF kana ginya ngwataniro ino ya GAF. Riu Sabina wa Chege akorwo akirugama bunge muthenya barigici na akorwo enyihitie muno kuria ahoya Akenya metikire atongoria aya ao makorwo magicoka ground.
We break for Christmas. It has been a tough year for this parliament. We have had our lessons to learn. Mr. Speaker, as I want to wish every member of this House Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and the public at large, I want to urge that we keep peace and beg Kenyans, as your leaders come in, they are fighting for this CDF and GAF and all the funds for your benefit. Kindly allow them to work. We may differ in opinions, but allow your members to come to the ground and work together with you.